In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Over here. Now tap on All Services next to Recommended. Scroll to click on Autofill with Google. And finally hit Google Password Manager to select any password you wanna get rid of. Click on it, enter your screen lock and tap on Delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Don't worry, no account or an app will be deleted, only password that autofills. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!